Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This wonderful house features three bedrooms. The master bedroom boasts air-conditioned unit, master walk-in closet with glass slide doors, and three bathrooms. There is a study that could be transformed to make another bedroom. There are also spacious living and dining rooms associated with a lovely built-in kitchen, cozy front veranda, and back porch. Yard is paved with a lovely lawn and additional space to do your gardening. Residence is fully grilled and fully walled for your security. Property is also well footed with land area of approximately 21,780 square feet. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully walled, TV cable, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, quiet area, seniors oriented, acreage, gravel road and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.